Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am going to start a new series of perfume review that is about the company Boadicea The Victorious. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but it is Boadicea The Victorious, and today I'm going to review its I have the sample kit actually. So this is Regal. So let's spray it and see how this actually smells like. So let's put a spray of Regal from Boadicea. Very nice initial spray, a kind of sweet, spicy, fresh spicy. Kind of reminds me something Arabic or Bakhoor kind of sense to it, but it's very fresh. Some other kind of vibe, fresh, spicy, uplifting, airy. It's a very nice one. Let me see if it is Regal. Yes. I think this is a mix of rose and wood, something like that, because when you get some other kind of vibe like this, fresh other kind of vibe, it is mostly rose that has been mixed with some woody note to create a fresh kind of uplifting, spicy, fresh spicy kind of note. Kind of reminds me some old others. Sorry. Now rose is, I think, a bit more prominent. Wood is kind of Oud Espahan, kind of light woody in the background. But not, it is not a dry wood, it is kind of wet, woody, rosy kind of scent. Really nicely done. I think I have seen some similar perfumes like this. These are kind of rosewood kind of theme. I think there are few perfumes from Arabian oud too like this. I think it was rosewood. Yes, fresh, spicy, rosy, woody, very nicely balanced kind of attar-like or Arabian kind of feel to this perfume. Syrupy, a bit syrupy, syrup-like attars. If you have sniffed some of the attars from Arabian oud, I think I have reviewed one of them, I don't remember, but it is kind of syrupy attar kind of feel to this one. So this is Regal from Boadicea The Victorious. So this is my 2 cents about this perfume. Very nicely done. Although in the listed notes it says warm, spicy, and it says it is kind of like it has amber, patchouli. I don't sense much of the amber because amber is very earthy and it gives a very you can say damp feeling, make it a bit darker but and warmer. I don't feel that it is a bit kind of warm scent. For me it is very fresh, spicy kind of rosewood kind of attar. So this is a really nice perfume. If you like those kind of perfumes or those kind of vibes, this is Regal from Boadicea The Victorious. So this is my review about Regal. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I tried to simplify as much as I can for the perfumes, a bit like you can see over here. I am not going to give you the notes that this is flowery, this is lang lang, or this is what. I feel that I am a bit kind of very early beginner student in perfumery. So I try to simplify as much as I can for the newbies and the buyers who want to buy. Do try these samples. I think you can get them from their website. So I actually ordered 14-15 samples. I'm going to dissect them one by one. So this is my video about Regal from Boadicea The Victorious. I hope you have enjoyed this video review. And if you have used this perfume or are planning to buy, do let me know in the comments below. Till then, I will meet you in the new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.